What's up, guys? This is Phillyswords RC. Today I got out my Arrma Big Rock. That thing is a monster. Yo, RC for us got a monster though. His thing is a tank. He got a tank for Big Rock. This thing is wiry as hell right here. Let me see if I can get some jumps out of it. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to jump as good with this. I get that in full frame? All right. I knew this battery was gonna cut on me soon, fast. Change that battery out. All right, let's go back to where we was. For all of us, something like that. He got me wanting to, made me want to pull out the Big Rock. But check his channel out. Beauty and the Beast RC, RC for us, Black Sheep RC. You got all these small channels that's pretty good. Y'all be sleeping on us small channels. This thing is a beast. Only 3S. I knew you was gonna flip. Battery is done. Yeah, my 3S line is really jacked up. Hope you enjoyed that video. Hit that like button, hit that notification bell, hit that subscribe. And I'm out. Hurry up, get to the car before the battery run out.